Hello and welcome, dear friends, to increase your English knowledge with Idris Mercy. In today's episode, we are doing the definition of decade. So, what is a decade? Well, a decade is a period of 10 years, especially such as 20,000 to 2009, 2010 to 2019, or 2020 to 2029. So a decade means a group of 10 years all together. For example, we have just left a decade behind us and started a new one. In his New Year's speech, the UK Prime Minister, Mr. Boris Johnson, has promised that the 2020s would be a decade of prosperity and opportunity. And from my side, I wish that the 2020s would be a decade of love, peace, tolerance, solidarity, a lot of success and achievements to everyone. So have a nice decade.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.